Welcome to our channel. Today we how to improve your resume with Kaplan International, quick tutorial step by step clearly. Begin by analyzing the current state of your resume. Identify the key strengths and skills you possess. Research the specific job or industry you are targeting. Tailor your resume to align with the requirements of the job. Incorporate relevant keywords from the job description. Ensure your contact information is clear and up to date. Choose a professional format that enhances readability. Use clear section headers to organize your content. Quantify your accomplishments with specific metrics. Highlight your education and any certifications prominently. Adjust the length of your resume to suit your experience level. Eliminate any irrelevant or outdated information. Focus on action verbs to describe your responsibilities. Include a brief summary statement at the top of your resume. Utilize bullet points for clarity and conciseness in descriptions. Incorporate soft skills that are applicable to the position. Proofread your resume multiple times for errors. Consider having a friend or professional review it as well. Save your resume in a widely accepted format, like PDF. Finally, keep your resume updated with new skills and experiences. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.